Kingfisher birds. Kingfisher birds are a group of colorful and charismatic birds belonging to the family Alcedinidae. They are known for their vibrant plumage, specialized hunting techniques, and their ability to dive into water to catch fish. Here are some key facts about kingfisher birds. Diversity. Kingfishers comprise over 90 species found worldwide. Except in Antarctica and some remote oceanic islands. They are most diverse in tropical regions, especially Southeast Asia, Africa, and Australia. Appearance. Kingfishers are usually small to medium-sized birds. Ranging from 10 to 45 centimeters, 4 to 18 inches, in length. They have short legs, large heads, and long, pointed bills. Many species exhibit bright plumage with various combinations. Of blue, green, orange, and white colors. Feeding behavior. Kingfishers are predominantly fish-eating birds. They have excellent eyesight and can spot prey from a considerable distance. When hunting, they perch on branches or other elevated spots near water bodies and wait patiently for fish to swim by. Once a target is spotted, they plunge headfirst into the water, capturing fish with their sharp bills. Adaptations for fishing. Kingfishers have several adaptations that aid their fishing prowess. Please subscribe our channel. Their bills are long and pointed, allowing them to strike their prey accurately. They also have strong neck muscles and specialized eyes with binocular vision. Enabling them to judge the exact location of fish underwater. Habitat. Kingfishers inhabit a variety of environments, including rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, coastal areas, and mangroves. They prefer habitats with clear, still or slow-flowing water, which offer good visibility for hunting. Breeding. Kingfishers are generally monogamous and form long-term pair bonds. They excavate burrows in banks or tree trunks near water bodies for nesting. Conservation status. While some kingfisher species are abundant and widespread, others face threats due to habitat loss, pollution, and human activities. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect their populations and habitats. Some well-known kingfisher species include the common kingfisher, Alcedinidae. Found in Europe and Asia, the belted kingfisher, Megaceral alcyon, found in North America, and the laughing kookaburra, Dasylonovidinae, found in Australia. Note: the information provided here is based on general knowledge. About kingfisher birds up until September 2021. There may have been new discoveries or updates since then. Please subscribe our channel.